Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you some cards I made with the Pets and Pumpkins paper pad from Die Cuts with a View. I picked this up at a Joann's. Obviously it's mostly pet themed, but there was some other paper in here that is not. And you can tell it's got foiling in it that's iridescent, and it really adds a neat touch. So let me show you the cards. So these cards I used the Call Me Crafty Owl October 2020 sheet load of cards. I will link in the description box below what it is, but basically she'll give you the cutting instructions and tells you how to make cards with her cutting instructions. Sometimes if you want to make cards real quick, that's a good way of doing it. This card design has a big rectangle and then two squares, and on this one I added pumpkins that I fussy cut from one of the papers, and they're raised up on pop dots. I don't think you can see it, but they are. So this one doesn't really have a pet theme, but the other ones do. So there's the dog bones and there's the dog in the ghost costume. And you can see the iridescence of that paper. Isn't that fabulous? So again, that's using the same design. Now this one I did a little bit different. I used vellum. Let's see how many vellums. That's probably about it. So I stamped the sentiment on the vellum. And it does cover some of the design, but these designs were so big I didn't want to cover it with a big rectangle. So I thought the vellum would be a good idea. So as you can see, I still did these couple of rectangles, and I tried to cut one of the main pets to put in the center. And this one I did raise one of the pets with pop dots. I didn't put the long rectangle here. Don't know why, but it came out okay. So this one is actually using that paper. This is the back side of one of the paper, and that is one of the iridescent papers. This is just plain black. I don't know if you can see, but I put a spider web just using some Versamark watermark stamp pad. It's not really very, you can see it when it's up close. And then I had stickers. I used up a couple of packs of stickers that I had. This was from a different paper pad, but I thought the orange was really cool on there. And then with the silver embossing powder, I added a touch of iridescent glitter embossing powder. I don't think you can see it in camera, but when you see it up close, it really matches with all of the iridescence there. So again, that's using the Call Me Crafty Owl October 2020 sheet load of cards. These, same thing, I added just some washi tape that was glitter just to add something else to it. Obviously the same design. I just embossed the sentiment on the orange paper. And that's another one of the vellum. This was a Stampin' Up! Stamp from last year. And I had some bat washi tape that I put across. And just another one. This one, I have two of these I do, but this one I think is fabulous. So you can see the iridescence of the cat paper. And of course the cat is that large, the cat paper is that large rectangle. And then I fussy cut one of the cats and put them on top of the sentiment. So again, it looks better in person than it does on camera. But this paper pad was fabulous to work with. They had a couple of them at the Joann's I shopped at. I've heard people say they're sold out of the ones near them. I've done other projects with this. I'll put a link in the description box. I've made a couple of mini waterfalls and just cute stuff, cute paper. And I have a couple more projects coming up with this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me which card was your favorite. Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.